now time for words of wisdom. So Wayne, what's our words of wisdom for today?
Okay, our words of wisdom for today is more on a motivational quote. And it goes something like this. Think positive. Say this to yourself. Okay, today is going to be a great day. I can handle more than I think I can. By worrying about them, things would not get better anyway. I can be satisfied so as long as I try to do my best.
Yes, just as the song goes na, don't worry, be happy. It's as simple as that. Don't worry about anything that comes into your life. Yung mga problema na yan, you can handle that kasi you have to think positive eh. Pag iniisip mo kasi na hindi mo kayang gawin ng isang bagay, talagang mapanghihinaan ka ng loob. Kaya kailangan itatakbo sa isip mo, kailangan maging optimistic ako sa lahat ng gagawin ko. Sa lahat ng bagay, alam kong kaya ko to. Ganun lang yun.
Kung pinanganak kang mahirap, hindi mo yan kasalanan. Pero kung namatay kang mahirap, kasalanan mo yan.
Tama,
kasi hindi ka nag-strive ng ano eh.
Yes, hindi mo kasalanan pinanganak kang
giving the opportunity na nabuhay ka sa mundo. Wala eh, nag-stick ka lang dun eh.
Oo, parang choice mo rin yun eh. Parang hindi yan, parang life is not a matter of chance. It's a matter of choice. Yeah. More and something like that. Because lahat-lahat ng mga nangyayari sa buhay natin, kung hinahayaan mo lang na nandiyan lang yan, hindi mo naman ginagrab ang every opportunity, walang mangyayari sa'yo. Kaya you have to think positive, do everything that you can, and just stay strong. Let's do it.
Come on guys, hit your horse. Go.
Ano yun?
Ayan.
Ayan.
Di ba sabi nila, ano yun? Hampasin mo yung kabayo mo para tumakbo.
Ayun, yun pala yun. Hampasin mo yung kabayo para tumakbo.
Ayun.
Okay, so that has been our words of wisdom for today. Tune in again next week for another dose of inspirational quotes only here in Wake Up Ilocos.